Hi, in front of me I have Huawei Honor 9X and I'm gonna show you how to perform the hard reset from the settings on this device. Let's start by opening the settings, and to do it, tap on this icon right here. Once in settings, scroll all the way down and select System and Updates. Here let's select Reset, then tap Reset Phone. Tap Reset Phone at the bottom, and then again tap on Reset Phone to confirm and start the resetting process. And at this point the hard reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.